2019 Ram 1500 Hemi. Last week he brought it in. We did a muffler delete on it, but he pulls a boat, and when he goes into the variable timing on the freeway, it just got way too loud. So what we put on it is a FLOWMASTER 40 series for him, 42441, right there. And it's already got a resonator in the middle, and it's got two resonators out the back, one on this side and one on this side, but apparently still too loud, so we had to put him something to get it quieter a little bit. He says he loved the sound when it was just regular road driving, but on the freeway, when it goes into that variable timing, he couldn't take it no more. It was too loud for him. So we said, he brought it back and we put him the FLOWMASTER 40. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. What do you think? Yeah. Hold it down? Yeah. Sound decibels. Sorry, the sun is in the way. I think it reads like 100, I think, only. Go ahead. That's a lot quieter. You still get a little bit of sound, but not too much, you know? That's a lot better. 40 series FLOWMASTER still got the resonators on it and everything. All right, let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 FLOWMASTER 40 series.